So I made a video recently that I talked about how I'm going to be giving my jobs to my client, the end product to my client at the end of 3 months. Now, some of you got it wrong. Don't hold a client job for 3 months. Let me explain. Once the wedding is done, probably a week or a week plus, make sure you send them the soft copy of those pictures. If it's possible, make sure you send them the short videos of those pictures. At that point, you'll be on the safe side. I will explain that later. But that will enable the client have some pictures to post, because their wedding, you just finished covering their wedding, they need to post something. So the client will have pictures to post online to show people that they have finished their wedding. And at the same time, you delivering the soft copy will enable them select if they are supposed to select pictures and send back to you to edit the photo book. So the reason why I said 3 months for everything is because some of these photo book companies are now very, very crazy. Yes, I use that word, crazy. They will tell you your photo book will be ready in a week or more, but at the end, 1 month, they have not delivered the photo book. So instead of you, the client calling you and both of you always arguing, just tell the client a period of time that even if these companies tell you 2 weeks, 1 month, you'll be able to deliver the job within that 3 months period. That's what I said. And the long video, some of us need time to edit the long video. So if we are going to take all this time to edit the long video, you cannot tell the client that it will be ready in 1 week. But within 3 months, you should be able to deliver everything. And make sure wow, African